The average age of YouTubers with over 1 million subscribers is actually over 37. And yet, people still think that YouTube is a young person's game. Well, let's fix that myth right now. Have you ever wondered if your years of experience could actually be your biggest advantage here on YouTube? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you why creators over 40 are winning and how you can too. You'll see real success stories, stats that prove the truth, and a strategy that makes starting after 40 easier than you actually think. So why do you assume that YouTube is only for the young? Maybe it's because in its early days it was. But here's what no one's telling you. We were that young audience 20 years ago, and now we're the majority. You see, I've helped countless entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, whatever you want to call it, preneur, over 40 start their YouTube journey, and the results, well, they're thriving. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at the data. You see, a few years ago, I was sitting at my desk, doubting if I should even bother with YouTube. I kept thinking, who's gonna watch someone at my age? And I almost didn't start. And then I saw the numbers, and that's actually when I started gathering everything I wish I'd known into a simple weekly newsletter for creators like us, heart-led, over 40 and ready to thrive. And if you want that kind of encouragement and gifts to help you grow online straight into your inbox, then there's a link below to join the Heart Brand Insider newsletter. So, do you still think success belongs to the young? Come on guys, think again. 33% of YouTube creators are 35 to 50, and Statista reports that 21% are between 30 and 49. YouTube's biggest growth market is 40 plus audiences. And here's the real kicker. YouTube's algorithm favors experience-based content now more than ever, and I'll explain why. Take my client Raymond, for example. He's a former finance director who turned his experience into a YouTube channel. 50 plus videos later, he's generated business from his content. He told me, Stephen, I never thought people would care about my knowledge, but now I'm getting DMs weekly asking for advice. And you know what? He's not alone. Meet Alison. She's a disabled mother who took a real life story and turned it into 1.9 million views. So let's talk strategy. What niches thrive for creators over 40? Well, there are 3 that seem to work every time. But first is life skills and personal growth, because viewers are craving wisdom and guidance. Then there's career and business expertise, because you have decades of knowledge and it's in high demand. And then there's the health and the lifestyles over 40. It's a huge niche, especially for midlife audiences. And here's where it gets even better. Most YouTubers over 40 succeed because they don't chase trends. I'll explain why next. So if you love these kind of insights and you're building your own legacy, I share exclusive tips, behind the scenes lessons and mindset shifts every week in my Heart Brand Insider newsletter. It's completely free, and you'll also be invited into my exclusive Heart Brand Creator Circle community, which is free for action takers. You can join below. So if you're over 40 and hesitating, stop. Your experience is not a liability. It's your biggest superpower. Now, here's a gem that most people overlook. Your age alone, you see, won't make you successful. But there's one perspective shift that changes everything. And I break it all down in this next video. So click it here and enjoy.